Hey guys, today I will show you how to get Sharp Claws in Monster Hunter World. Sharp Claws are a low-rank monster material, and they come from small monsters, not large hunts. You can get Sharp Claws from two monsters, Shamos with a 20% chance, and Jagras also with a 20% chance. The fastest way to farm Sharp Claws is to hunt Jagras in the ancient forest. They spawn in groups, are very weak, and respawn quickly, which makes farming much faster than Shamos. You get Sharp Claws from carves and quest rewards, so just keep clearing groups until you have enough. Useful tip: go on an expedition instead of a quest. This lets you farm endlessly without loading screens, and small monsters will respawn after a short time. And that's how to get Sharp Claws in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.